Hello, everybody, and welcome to Crust 7th community call. Today, the 9th of June 2022. I welcome you to our recap of the last month. And as usual, we're going to start with some network updates and the current network status. So as you can see, our mainnet is currently for 9 months in stable operations. And we actually just surpassed the 1 million valid files stored on Crust network milestone. It's a great achievement for us. And when you watch the graph, you can see that this trend is not stopping. We see more and more partners onboarding their data to our network. Overall, Crust has now partnered with more than 100 Web3 projects, and they slowly start putting their data into our network. And this can be seen very nicely in form of this graph. Overall, we provide 35,500 terabyte of total storage via our network. So the utilization rate is not as high yet compared to our max possible storage capability. But with this data inflowing, I'm pretty confident that the utilization rate will increase in the same way. For some technology achievements and milestones, I want to mention that we just supported the storage functionalities for all Elrond users and developers. They can use Crust to store their data, their files, to host their decentralized apps via Crust network. And this all can be done through smart contracts on the Elrond side. So very easy and simple, but still very efficient option to integrate with Crust network from the Elrond side. Then we also optimize the smart contract deployment process for Ethereum to make it even easier for a developer to use our technology. But also in terms of the parachain development and integrations, we completed our palette for the cross-chain storage process. Also, we got some feedback from the community that our Crust Apps Explorer sometimes is a little bit lacking in speed. We also worked on that. We listened to the community, and our recent performance tests show that the access speed of our Crust apps is now increased by 230%. So feel free to enjoy our super fast UI now. And also we completed the Crust demo code sample for the near access. So now developers and builders can refer to that to easily have an example how to integrate with Crust network. Then another very important milestone for us is the integration with Chainlink. In specific, we completed the adapter, Chainlink adapter, and this enables Link to provide cross-chain storage functionalities for Oracle users. Feel free to read up more either on the Link site or also in our Medium. We have a shared article with Chainlink where we describe the project a little bit in specific and the added value for developers and users. Then something I already announced last community call, but we haven't realized yet. But now we can officially say it's launched, which is our Crust Pay to Download functionality. It's a super cool feature where you basically can monetize all kinds of data. If you want to, you upload it to Crust files, and then you can monetize it. You can set a specific price, and people can basically purchase your data, and you have a nice overview about how many data packages you sold, etc. So it basically can be used like an NFT without the actual NFT, and it's a really cool feature which we want to build on the future even more. And as of now, this feature works with Ethereum, so the payment is in Ethereum, but I'm pretty sure that in the future you'll see integrations with other payment options as well. Okay, let's have a look at our ecosystem development. There we can say that we recently held a panel discussion event, or more like a Twitter space event, with Mason Network. We discussed Web3 storage protocol use cases and their potential for the future. And also for this conversation, we were joined by Protocol Labs, Pilebase, Mentor Network, and Koi Network. Then Crust also cooperated with Subsquare to build a governance platform. So this means you can get active on there. The link is provided a little bit below. There will be different bounties, there will be proposals, there will be voting mechanisms. So everything to provide governance functions to actively join and take part in the decision-making and development process of Crust Network. Item, as already mentioned, is our milestone. We reached 1 million valid files. And yeah, also very interesting for our parachain networks, the Crust network that's running on the Kusama network, reached a cooperation with Moonriver. So this means that now Moonriver successfully allows CSM as XC CSM in the Moonriver ecosystem. And this all can be transferred natively within the Polkadot or Kusama ecosystem. Instead, developers on Moonriver, on the Kusama network, can actually utilize Crust Network as decentralized storage and can also pay with the CSM. Yeah, we also are involved in some other events. For example, in one of the, or if not the largest, Polkadot hackathon in North America. Crust is providing $6,000 in incentive reward for the best Crust-based applications. And we will, at the same time, we will hold some events. So, for example, we hold some workshops, which deal with the basic introduction of Crust as a cross-chain storage solution, but also go more into detail how to use and host your decentralized application on Crust Network to avoid single-point failure issues, to avoid DNS hijacking, etc. Where user funds could be compromised or can be put. Very interesting. The hackathon is actually running for quite a long time. We are basically right in the middle of it, and we're happy to see what kind of ideas and projects will be realized with utilizing Crust Network. So feel free to follow this event. There's also a lot of information online. And something that's happening as of right now as well is the Consensus, the largest crypto Web3 conference and exhibition in North America. Crust is joining this event. We even have our own booth. If you could be there, feel free to visit us at booth number 319. We would be happy to talk to you. And there you can meet some of our core team members and also our new general manager for the American market, Yulia. They all will be there, and we'll be happy to talk to you. Okay, then last but not least, let's have a look at our community efforts. We recently realized, especially with other projects we cooperated with, we are cooperating with MetaPrints. Maybe you already heard of it. They're creating a social metaverse experience for different projects, and Crust is joining them. And we recently held an event with them together where we handed out specific 45 whitelist spots to have the chance to receive one of the new social pass to take part in this metaverse experience. Also, we held a AMA with Akala on our discount, where we gave away around 10,000 CSM, our Crust-Shadow parachain token, and also 180 AUSD as rewards provided from Akala. Yeah, we also held an AMA with OKC, and we distributed 50 Crust Premium memberships for the community to try out our new Web3 Dropbox solution totally for free. And yeah, congrats to the winners of this membership. And yeah, another very important point we already made some announcement about is the recently launched Open Community Program, in short OCP. And this aims to build a decentralized community of Crust network. And it's a really cool opportunity for anyone who wants to be supportive of the project to get involved. And there will be different kind of guilds you can join. There will be bounties. There will be proposals you can make. And there will be more details in our Medium. Feel free to check our Medium article. You will get a more and a broader impression of what our open community program is more about. And here again, a poster about our open community program. So we have a developer guild, we have an operations guild, content guild, and a global guild. To join this program, please visit our Discord. We have specific channels set up for this community program. You can verify your account, you can join specific groups, and then you can get started to get involved with Crust Network, either in Discord itself or in one of our our forum to discuss specific proposals. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this monthly call, and I'm happy to talk to you again next week with our newest achievements and developments. Thank you, guys.